Are you looking for a solution to bring all your pictures to one place? Well, watch this quick video for 5 reasons why we love using Forever for our personal photo collections. Hi, I'm Mollie Bartelt, co-founder of Pixologie, and I help teach people how to work with both their printed pictures as well as their digital pictures to bring them all together. So I'm going to talk about Forever and why I personally love using it. I've got 5 main reasons. First of all, it allows me to bring all of my pictures to one place. And you are looking at my Forever account right now. And I'm going to just scroll down and you can see I've got pictures from the 70s and 80s, 90s, and then one for each of the years with my family. There's some special albums in there. These are my family photos and I can access them both at forever.com as well as on my phone. I'm just going to show you, I've got an app on my phone and it actually uploads pictures as I take them to my Forever account, and I just think that is awesome. So bringing all my pictures to one place, number one reason why I like Forever. Now, when you do that, you want to be able to add a little bit of information to your photos. So I'm going to go to 2008 family photos and we're going to find one of my favorite pictures here. Let's see, this one right here. These are my kids and you can see the picture. I could edit it if I wanted. I could share it with some of these options up here. I could order prints. And on the right hand side I can edit the info on the picture, so I could add a description. Kids having much fun together. Today they seem to argue a lot, so this is a fun picture. I could also change the date taken if that wasn't correct. And I can add tags for who's in there, like Alex or Hannah. I also added Mother's Day, so I could, let's click on Mother's Day and see what else comes up. That is the holiday that's coming. My goodness, I'm looking at all the pictures from Mother's Day over the years that I've collected. I probably do have some more tagging to do for the last few years on Mother's Day for sure. But anyway, you can see that when you go into a picture, you got this information that you can edit. All right, so that was reason number 2. You can add details and tags to your pictures. Reason number 3 that I love using Forever is because you can do things with your pictures. So now I'm going up to print projects. And you can see that I have quite a few projects in the works here. I have made panels, I've made photo books, calendars, and I've even ordered my Christmas cards through here. So with Forever, it's just as easy as clicking New Print Project and then choose what you want to start with. I like to time my projects so that I have time to wait for a sale to come along, because that is my number 4 reason for enjoying using Forever. They have sales often enough, so if you plan when you need a photo gift, you can perhaps get it done ahead of time and wait for a really good sale. And you just click on deals. Under the deals tab, you'll see all sorts of things. Right now, lay flat books are free, and that's such a nice upgrade to a photo book. I also can see that it's 30% off other printed products, which is a pretty nice sale. So the deals are great. The 5th reason why I really love Forever is because I have saved a lot of my family history here. So let's go to my albums, and I'm going to scroll down to historical pictures. I have an album that has 10 nested albums inside that hold photos and documents from different parts of my family. So maternal side, I have quite a few documents, from census documents and pictures of gravestones that help tell the history of my parents, grandparents, and even further back. I'm preserving family history, and I love using Forever because they guarantee to take my pictures, videos, and documents and migrate it to the newest technology for my lifetime plus 100 years. So that's the fifth reason why I really love Forever is I'm saving my family history. Now you might want to know a little bit about how Forever works. You can start a 2 GB account for free, and I'm going to share a screen here where you can go and get that 2 GB free account, as well as a $10 coupon to use towards the storage or a print project in the future. Here's a little bit of information about Forever Storage. You own your account and it's guaranteed for generations. There's no data mining. They're not taking your information and creating advertising like Google does. And they never compress your pictures. It's full resolution. That's very important. Your pictures will stand the test of time. So I'll scroll down a little bit here and you can see the intro account and the storage account. They start at 10 GB accounts, which can hold up to 5,000 photos. And you can see a little bit about the pricing here. And again, we want to watch for the deals because you can get the storage accounts on sale. Right at the bottom, take 20% off single payments for Celebrate May 20. Copy the code and you're good to go. So this is just a quick overview of why I love using Forever personally. We have other videos on how to use Forever. You can check the link up above. And if you thought this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel because we upload new tutorials every now and then. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave your comments and questions below. That's it for now. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you the next time.